Hello friends, welcome back to Radhe Traders, and today I am going to teach you how you find gap up or gap down or market flat opening. So everyone who invests in market is curious to know where the market is going to open. So in this video we are going to tell you the strategy. This video is purely made for our viewers who are facing language barriers. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe us and like the video if you like it. So let's go to the topic, the gap up or gap down strategy. You have to do one thing. You have to go to the NSE option chain website. Okay, the first step is you have to go NSE option chain website. Although the NSE option chain website show you two datas, here you can see the call and here you can see the put, call and put. So this data is for option writers, okay, who are option selling. These are option seller data, call writer and put writer. I can take a new page. So here the two datas, call writer and put writer. You don't have to see anything else. You only have to see the open interest. And you have to see the current strike price, the open interest, whichever is high. The higher open interest you have to find in the option chain data. So the suppose we take 18,000 strike price, the call writer open interest is more than the put writer open interest. Okay, so suppose the number 1,84,595. The open interest for call writer is 1,84,595 and the open interest for put writer is something around 1,08,050. So we can clearly see the call writer open interest is more than the put writer, and this is the data of option seller. As we are option buyer, the call writer is equals to put writer put for us, and put writer is equal to call for us. So we can predict the Nifty is opening below 18,000. We can predict the Nifty is opening below 18,000. This is why, because the call writer data is more than the put writer data, open interest. Again, one more strike price 17,900, and we can see the open interest for 17,900 call writer data, that is equals to put for us is around 74,095, and the open interest for 17,900 strike price at put writer means call side, we have seen something around 95,086. So this shows the Nifty is going to open above 17,900 and below 18,000. You have to only see these data on the option chain website. Call writer data is equal to put for us and put writer data is equal to call for us. As we are option buyer, this shows the 18,000 at the 18,000 strike price, the open interest for 18,000 strike price, open position are pending 1,84,595, which is more than the put writer data. So the writer would try to take the market below 18,000, and the writer at 17,900 will try to force the market above 17,900. This is the concept. Call writer and put writer. Same in Banknifty. Suppose a strike price something around 41,200. The open interest is 2,48,965, and you can see the call side, that is put writer for us. Put writer here you can see 2,09,000. This means Banknifty is opening below 41,200, and again a strike price like 41,000. You can see here the strike price is something around taken for example 1,09,256, and the put writer data is here 3,92,586. So you can clearly see the put rated data is more than the call rated data. So bank nifty is opening above 41,000 and below 41,200. Okay, this is the concept you have to see on option chain analysis website, option chain website, and I am going to show you the where the nifty is going to open and bank nifty is going to open. So let's go to the option chain website and see where the market is going to open now. Here you have to search only NSE option chain, which is I previously searched. The NSE option chain website you can see here clearly. You have to first refresh this. You can see here Nifty is selected. Let's go to the higher strike price. Find in call side. This data is known for as put, and this data is known for as call. This is call rated data and this is put rated data. So let's find the higher strike price, higher open interest at which strike price. You can see 18,000, the strike price 18,000 have 1,06,202, and the strike price you have to see here at 17,900 you have seen that 1,81,041. See here, I mark for you here the open interest at put side, that is made for as call 1,18,041, and here the strike price is more 18,000. So Nifty is going to open near above 17,900 and below 18,000. Here I write for you. Nifty is going to open above 17,900 and below 18,000. This is the Nifty opening. Nifty is opening near around above 17,900 and 18,000. The time is 9:11 now. I can show you where the Nifty is open, whether our prediction is right or not. Okay, so you have to only see the option chain analysis on you have to go on option chain website and you have to see the call side and put side data, and you have to only see the open interest at higher strike price, at the higher open interest at which strike price. So 18,000 we have seen 1,06,202 open interest, and we have seen 17,900 the open interest is 1,18,041. So here clearly we are able to see the Nifty is going to open above 17,900 as I previously told you, and below 18,000. Let's go to the bank Nifty and see where the bank Nifty is going to open. This is the chart as we have selected for bank Nifty, and see the where the higher data we have seen, the higher data on call side we have to see. So the higher data on call side 41,500, and the 41,500 okay, means bank Nifty is opening below 41,500. The higher data on 40,500 means the bank Nifty is opening above 40,500 and below 41,500, but this is the difference of more than 1,000 points. So we have to see the nearest data where the bank Nifty have more open interest at call side and more open interest at put side. Whichever is high we have to go below or above. So we have to see here at 41,000 strike price, okay, 92,000 open interest is, and at 41,000 strike price, and here you can see the strike prices, means bank Nifty is opening above 41,000. okay, bank Nifty is opening above 41,000. bank Nifty is opening near around above 43,000, 41,300 also. Bank Nifty is opening above 41,000 and below 41,400. okay, here you can see The open interest at 41,400 is strike price, 36,276 and 41,300 the open interest at put side 31,160. So this shows Bank Nifty is opening above 41,300 and below 41,400. It may be differ. Bank Nifty have a great movement, have a big movement Bank Nifty shows, so it may be differ from 100 points. It's not a big deal, but we can find here by the RNI analysis Bank Nifty is opening near 41,300, in between 41,400, or maybe around Bank Nifty has a big movement, or maybe 41,500 you have to be seen. So now go to the TradingView website, as market currently not open. If you are able to see the time, whether I don't know, the time is currently 9:14 and only few seconds left the market open. So let's see the data, as whether Bank Nifty, at which strike price Bank Nifty is opening or Nifty is opening. Our prediction is for Nifty 17,900 to 18,000, and for Bank Nifty 41,300 to 41,400. So let's go to the TradingView website. From here I can select TradingView. So from here I show the Bank Nifty open at 41,000, Bank Nifty open at 41,500 something around, and it will try to go 41,600. As I predict for Bank Nifty 41,300 above, 41,400 and 41,500 in between. So the Bank Nifty opens at in between this. So in Nifty, so I can tell you by the option chain, by seeing the option chain, the Nifty is opening above 17,900 and below 18,000. Here you can clearly see where the Nifty is opening. Nifty opens at near around 18,054. So above 17,900 and below 18,000. Nifty is opening near around 18,054. So you can clearly see, as our market prediction, the market close at this position 17,960, as market open a little gap up. So this way you can find the gap up or gap down strategy by using the option chain. And if you like this video, if you learn anything from this video, please subscribe us, like the video, comment your doubt in our comment section, and if you want to join us, you can join us on Telegram. The link in description given below for you. In the Telegram I'll regularly update the market related news or posted, and some educational calls were also given for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.